Dear viewers, welcome to our channel GVS Bank Academy. Today I am going to discuss about principles and practice of banking. Previous year exam questions 81 to 90. Already 80 questions we had already discussed. Part 1, part 2, part 3. Today 81 to 90 questions part of part 4. What is meant by question number 81 on the screen? Universal banking. Universal banking means a banking which is doing banking business, insurance business, mutual funds, capital market related products, share broking, commodity broking, investments, portfolio investment, merchant banking means along with banking, other related business also they are doing. It means all in one. Banking, insurance, stock broking, capital market, merchant banking means they are extending all the services under one umbrella. That is called universal banking definition. Facilities required by question number 82. Facilities required by exporter from bank. What type of facilities are required by the exporter from the bank? Packing crate. Pre-shipment packing crate means working capital limits for purchase of raw material, procuring and manufacturing up to shipment stage. That is called pre-shipment packing crate. Working capital limits. Exports bills after submission, after completion of shipment, export bills purchased, discounted and negotiation. That comes under post shipment. Working capital is pre shipment. Bill finance is post shipment. Up to shipment is pre shipment. After shipment, post shipment. That is pre shipment advance and post shipment advance. Sometimes exporters are asking pre shipment working capital limits also in foreign currency. For import of raw material, exporters are requesting the banks for packing crate in foreign currency. There are two benefits are there in foreign currency. One is foreign currency borrowing rate of interest is cheaper. Number two, they will make their payments in foreign currency. That is packing crate in foreign currency. Export LC advising also. Exporters request the banks advising the LC. Banks are also extending export LC advising on behalf of the customers. Suppliers credit also. Supplier credit means when any customer is importing the raw material for export purpose also, at the time also that bank will extend supplier credit. These are the facilities required by the exporter from the bank. One is free shipment, we can say, working capital limit. Post shipment means bill finance. Then NASDAQ, NASDAQ. What is the abbreviation, full form? NASDAQ, NASDAQ, National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations. National Association of Securities Dealers Automated Quotations. This is a stock exchange in America. American Stock Exchange, one of the American stock exchange is called as NASDAQ. Question number 84. PMJJBY, Pradhana Mantri Jeevana Jyoti Bhima Yojana. These are under social security. Under PMJJBY, minimum age for joining 18 years, maximum age up to 50 years. Under PMJJBY conditions, minimum joining is 18, maximum up to 50 years. Premium payable per annum is 330. Premium 330. Insurance, life insurance cover 2 lakh rupees. Under this PMJJBY, with 330 rupees, they are getting life insurance coverage 2 lakhs. Aadhaar would be the primary KYC for the bank account. So with this bank account, this premium is going to be debited automatically to the bank account. So Aadhaar is. This is about PMJJBY. This question is also important from the government schemes. Question number 85, check truncation can be done by. This is about check truncation. One or two questions they are asking in principle and practice of banking about check truncation. Check truncation, how the banks are doing? By using MICR data, or by using image processing. So check truncation can be done by using MICR data or by using image processing. Last time also 2-3 questions they had asked. Under check truncation, electronic check means the images of the checks are going to be sending in clearing. That is the part of check truncation. Question number 86, Pradhana Mantri Suraksha Bhima Yojana. This is also social security measure. Age group is 18 to 70 years. Joining age group is 18 to 70 years. Yearly premium is 12 rupees per annum. Per member 12 rupees. Social security. The risk cover is 2 lakhs. In accidental death, in case of accidental death, you will get insurance cover 2 lakhs. And permanent disability also, you will get 2 lakhs. And partial disability, you will get 1 lakh. Partial disability 1 lakh. So, Pradhana Mantri Suraksha Bhima Yojana, joining age 18 to 70, premium 12 rupees per year, risk cover 2 lakhs, accidental death and permanent disability also, and partial disability 1 lakh. This is question number 86. Question number 87, gross advances. What are the total advances or gross advances of the bank? Total advances. What are the total or gross advances is called? Advances as per bank balance sheet, schedule number 9. Bank balance sheet, schedule number 9, total advances. Gross advances is equal to standard advances plus non-performing assets. NPA plus performing advances, total advances. This is gross advances. Standard advances plus non-performing advances or assets. This is the non-performing advances. Both will come under part of gross advance. Question number 88, FIUIND, very important question. FIUIND, Financial Intelligence Unit India. FIUIND, Financial Intelligence Unit India, set up by the Government of India, Minister of Finance. Under Minister of Finance it was set up. This is part of in compliance with Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. In compliance with PMLA, this FIUIND was established by Government of India, Minister of Finance. Who will appoint the director? FIUIND director appointed by Government of India, Minister of Finance. So these 3 questions they are asking, set up under Financial Intelligence Unit definition, under compliance with Prevention of Money Laundering Act, who will appoint FIUIND director appointed by Government of India, Minister of Finance. So every month we are sending cash transactions report, suspicious transactions report and counterfeit currency report to FIUIND in compliance with Prevention of Money Laundering Act. This is question number 88, very important. Question number 89, Atal Pension Yojana, PMAPY. Pradhan Mantri Atal Pension Yojana. Minimum contribution, the member had to contribute 20 years. At least you have to contribute 20 years. Joining age 18 to 40 years. In between 18 to 40 we can join anywhere. You have to deposit, you will get minimum pension 1000 rupees, maximum pension 5000 rupees. This amount minimum maximum depends upon how much is the depositing monthly. And after getting age of 60 only, you can receive the pension from the PMAPY under PM. So, eligible to receive the pension from Atal Pension Yojana after becoming 60 years old. So, this is about PMAPY. Pradhan Mantri Atal Pension Yojana. Minimum contribution you have to do 20 years. Joining age 18 to 40 years. Minimum pension 1000, maximum 5,000. This amount will depends upon how much he is depositing monthly. Eligible to receive the pension from Atal Pension Yojana after becoming 60 years old. This is about question number 89, PMAP. Question number 90, Pradhana Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. This is also part of Government of India financial inclusion. Part of Government of India financial inclusion. PMJDY. Very, very important question for all the examinations also. Age limit. For account opening, age 18 years to 65 years. For opening of this PMJDY savings account, age is 18 to 65 years. Overdraft, bank can give maximum overdraft 10,000 rupees. Out of 10,000, after opening of the account, without seeing any conditions, the bank has to give OD 2,000 rupees. Maximum overdraft is 10,000, up to 2,000 without any conditions. Remaining 8,000, conditions for loan amount of remaining 8,000. Now how much we give conditions are there? 4 times of average monthly balance. In his account, what is the 4 times of average monthly balance, or 50% of credit submissions during the year. 4 times of average monthly balance, or 50% of credit submission in accounting year, or 10,000, whichever is lower we can give. So these are the conditions for giving OD after 2,000, remaining 8,000, you have to see these conditions. If the account holder is complying these conditions, bank has to give remaining 8,000. Free accidental insurance cover is 2 lakh rupees. Under PMJDY, free accidental insurance they will get 2 lakhs rupees. And the limit is sanctioned for 3 years. PMJDY OD limit is for 3 years. But every year, subject to review of every year, the bank has to review this account. The bank has to review this account. So, in this 10 questions, I had covered 4 or 5 Government of India schemes also. These schemes are very, very important. And you see how many times this question was asked. Dear viewers, thank you very much for watching our videos regularly and supporting. If you are not already subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. And please share the information among your friends for their benefit. And we are also updating videos regularly about CAB, JAB and promotional exam also. Thank you very much for all for extending support. Thank you very much for all.